Robert, in one of your talks, you said that personalization is the key. How was this evident at Edutone, and how would this be leveraged as far as growth in any startup?
That's a great question. Basically, we enable personalization of education and leveraging technology to do that. So for example, a day in the life of a student, you log into a portal, or you use your device to log in somewhere where the school has different sets of services that they want to offer you. They want to access a learning management system, you want to access a content channel or an ebook. But all of these things today are not really designed to be consumed by a school. They're designed to be consumed by a consumer. Like if you have an iPad, you go to an Apple store and download it. But it's not where the school tells you these are the things we want you to use. So we actually kind of in the middle between the school and the consumer. We allow the school to take all the services, all the content, all the applications, and put it in one sandbox, and then allow the students to access that sandbox with a unique set of access rights. And then they could personalize that solution to whatever they want it to be based on what classes they are enrolled in and based on what the teacher wants to teach. So we are actually enabling personalized learning because we come in as the technology that enables that personalization to happen on the device.